We're back for the next session of the fellowship, Tautai fellowship home residencies, and Talo Falava, Tyla. We're speaking with TYLA VAEAU, and I think I'll let Tyla introduce herself way better than silly old me.
Talo Falava, Holo Ungoa o TYLA VAEAU. I'm from the villages of Samoan and Alepaka in Samoan Savai, and I live and work in Grey Lynn, Auckland, with my brother and my 2 children. And I am a tatau practitioner, artist, researcher, mother, all the things.
So how does it feel to be showcasing your work through the medium of social media through the fellowship Tautai residency? How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels good. I mean, I'm active on Instagram and I post like a little bit of my creative process on there. So to have this platform and to be able to share it in this context, I think adds to that and gives people a bit more of an insight. And I think it's also important to, situate te tau within Tautai and within this context. In the past, te tau as an art form has been overlooked in sort of mainstream art contexts, and it's such an important part of our artistic legacy. So yeah, I think it's important, and yeah, it's cool.
That's amazing. I mean, when you're tattooing, can I ask this deeply personal question? Do you feel the hand of your ancestors?
Yeah. I definitely, when I'm tattooing, I know that I'm not working alone. And, especially when I'm working with the traditional tools. Yeah.
Oh, that's magical.
I think I'm well practiced now. So I've been tattooing for 11 years. I'm well practiced now in dealing with the emotions, but certainly tears happen quite regularly, and but it's usually the person receiving this. and not because it's sore, because I'm very gentle, but it's an emotional response. It's an emotional process. So that's really there, and I just see my role as holding space for them and looking after them.
Oh yeah. So it's like, I guess like you're going into surgery, you can't be like crying every damn 5 minutes. Like,
exactly. Yeah. You can't see properly if you're crying. So.
Yes,